I want to talk about creating a conference today. In order to do that, once you've signed into your account, make sure to hit the green Create Conference button at the very top. That'll bring up the Create a New Conference page. The first thing to do is just label the conference and give it a name. In this case, we'll just call it Test. The next thing you want to do is find a contact email for that conference. The contact email will be what participants receive as the sender of that email. So if you send out reminders and other emails from the event once they register, they're going to get it from these email addresses. You can have more than one address, you just need to separate it with a comma and a space and just put it there. You also have the ability to select the type of conference you want. Now, there's three types. There's scheduled, which means it's going to be a social webinar, or in other words, have a visual interactive portion of the call. Is scheduled for a specific time. There's reservation list, which is audio only. It's kind of like a standing call where people get a PIN and a number and they just dial that whenever the conference is. It's audio only and there's only a max of 25. It's usually good for meetings that are reoccurring. And then there's video meetings, which is a lot like FaceTime. The next thing you're going to do is schedule the conference. So you can pick a time, you can pick a month, a day, a year, and then kind of the start time, and then the duration. And the duration is going to be what shows up in emails. It says it's from, is it 1 hour, is it 2 hours, etc. So you're going to want to make sure that that's the case. But don't worry if you go over time. It's not like the conference is going to quit on you if you go over and it's, an hour and 30 minutes instead of an hour. And remember, all call times are in Pacific. That's really important. Otherwise, people get that messed up all the time. Finally, you're going to have the estimated number of callers. And you should usually just put your max in of whatever your plan is. In this case, it's 25. You can just do that. It's just easier than trying to guess, and it's already there. So that's how you create a conference.